So how do you find today's team building by Jambar?
Generally not one of my favourite sort of activities, but I really had good fun and I learnt a lot as well. I thought the pace of everything that we did today actually made it really interesting. And yeah, in the wrap up we just had, what I realised is actually I've learnt a lot and it's changed my perception on AI definitely, for the positive.
Right. What do you think about your facilitator James for today?
I thought James was really mean because he kept picking on me during the activity. No, I thought he was absolutely fantastic. Again, it's all about tone. It's all about making things go at the right pace. And I think all you guys actually moderated really well, helped us when we needed help, but actually moved us along at a decent pace.
All right, thank you.